I think I messed up. Yesterday, I spent 2 hours organizing my sock drawer instead of working on my project. Relatable, right? Procrastination, the art of avoiding the unavoidable. We've all been there, putting off tasks till the last minute. But did you know it's often rooted in myths? Yup, like the belief that you work best under pressure. Spoiler alert, you don't. Let's dive into why we procrastinate. It's not just about being lazy. Sometimes it's about perfectionism or fear of failure. Whether you're a perfectionist or a decision avoider, procrastination sneaks into every corner of life. Work, relationships, you name it. So, how do we conquer it? Start by breaking tasks into bite-sized pieces. Set realistic goals. And create a workspace that screams focus. Ever heard of the Pomodoro technique? It's magic. Work for 25 minutes, break for 5. Rinse and repeat. Now, let's talk motivation. Find your why. Cultivate a growth mindset and practice self-discipline. Got a friend who's also a procrastinator? Team up and keep each other accountable. And hey, don't forget to reward yourself for those small wins. Sure, there'll be setbacks. But with these hacks, you'll dodge procrastination like a pro. Remember, consistency is key. So, go on, tackle that to-do list and watch yourself shine. Thanks for tuning in. Want more tips? Check out the recommended reads in the caption. Let's beat procrastination together.